Hi student, welcome in chemistry classes. Now we will start for B block element 2. The topic is interhalogen compounds. In our previous video, discussed about hydrogen halide, that means HX, and then some properties. Now discuss interhalogen compounds in this video. Okay, first of all, what is interhalogen compound? Inter means like that outer. Like outer, that means between for two molecules, that is called inter. Halogen means fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. So interhalogen compound. So between for two halogen to form compounds. So that is called interhalogen compound. So the definition interhalogen compound: each halogen combined with another halogen to form several compounds. That is called many compounds. It's called interhalogen compounds like ICl, IBr, BRF, IF, and then ICl3, IF3. It is called several compounds. That is called interhalogen compounds. Okay. Next, type of interhalogen compounds. What are type is present? Like AB type, and then AB3 type, AB5 and AB7. A, it is a one halogen compound. B is another halogen compound. Okay, here A is a less electronegative atom than B. You compare A and B. A is less electronegative atom than B. So that is some basic things for the interhalogen compound. Like suppose I take Cl to chlorine plus iodine to form ICl. That is called interhalogen compound. Two halogen combine to form another one compound. It is called interhalogen compound. That's all. Okay. So that is some of the preparation of the example. You prepare for the many examples for the high temperature and some inert gases. Usually you prepare CLF, BRF, IF, and then BRF. That is called AB type. AB3 type, CLF, BRF3, IF3, ICL3, AB5, IF5, BR5, AB7, IF7. These are several compounds with the prepare. Okay. So next, some properties of interhalogen compounds. What are main properties are present? First of all, you know the interhalogen compound to formation the structure. One atom acts as a central metal atom. Around is a surrounding is bonded atom. So here, what are central metal atom is act as? That means when high electronegative atom acts as a central metal atom, they are like that. AB, AB3, AB5, AB7. Here, central atom will be larger only. That means bigger size. Central atom will be larger only. It can formed only between the two halogen, not for more than two halogen. Like that, chlorine, iodine, also bromine. To form the halogen means no reaction. No reaction. So more than two halogen is not combined to form the several compound. Only between the two halogen form the several compound. And then also central atom acts as a low electronegative atom and also size, bigger size. That's why this point. So fluorine cannot act as a central. Fluorine cannot act as a central metal atom because it is the smallest one. Because the central atom acts as a longest one. Then due to the high electronegative, the small size of the fluorine atom to form the coordination bond for the low electronegative atom like A and B to form coordination bond like A and to form the B like that. B, B, B. AB3 type. Okay, suppose it is act as a B, act as a fluorine, fluorine. Suppose here act as a boron trifluoride. Example BCl3. This is a boron or BF3, boron or anything. BCl3 or BF3. Here F. This is a boron. So to form coordination bond, BF, to form the coordination bond, because it is a high electronegative atom and the small size of the fluorine, that's why to bond from the coordination bond to other atom. So due to the high electronegative with a small size of the fluorine to help the central atom to attain the high coordination number. Also auto-oxidation. ICl it gives I plus and ICl2 minus. Also ICl3 it gives ICl2 plus ICl4 minus. These are the auto-oxidation issue to the dissociate. They are also act as a strong oxidizing agent. These are the properties of interhalogen compounds. Next one property, reaction with alkali, like it is a base, like sodium hydroxide or anything, the strong base. So BrFi to react with OH minus base to form fluoride ion and bromate ion, BrO3 minus. And then also ICl to form react with a base Cl minus and O minus, hypoiodate ion. These are there some reaction asking the 1 mark question. So next important the structure of the interhalogen compound. So structure of interhalogen compounds. The type, structure, hybridization, bond pair, lone pair. You know how to find out hybridization and bond pair, lone pair in our previous year. That means 11th standard classes. You know very well. But I know now explain also. Okay, that type AX type. The structure is linear. When bond pair 1, lone pair 3. The structure is called a linear according to the VSPR theory, valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. Valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. When bond pair 1, lone pair 3 is called a linear. When bond pair 3, lone pair 2, it is called a T-shape. Also bond pair 5, lone pair 1, it's called a square pyramidal. Also bond pair 7, lone pair 0, pentagonal bipyramidal. It is a AX7, it is a type. Okay, and then also you know the hybridization also. Hybridization means here to find out hybridization. Bond pair plus a lone pair. Suppose bond pair 1, lone pair 3 equal to total 4. 4 means sp3 hybridization. It is a 1 s orbital, 3 p orbital, like that. 1 s orbital, 3 p orbital. It is called a 4 means of 4 sp3 hybridization. Okay, so these are the structures. Now discuss about for each and every one by one how to linear, T-shape and a square pyramidal. So first linear AX type. So example ICl, I take ICl. So iodine and chlorine. You compare these two atoms. It is a iodine less electronegative atom. Yeah, iodine less electronegativity compared to the fluorine. Okay, electronegativity. That's why it is also bigger size. Chlorine is a small size. So iodine acts as a central metal atom. Okay, so iodine, central metal atom acts as the valence shell electron for iodine. Valence shell electron. Iodine equal to 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 electron is present in valence shell electron for iodine equal to 7 electron. And then bonded chlorine Cl minus valence shell only. Valency of chlorine equal to 1. So it is also 1. 1 chlorine is a present, is for 1. So this two form is called 2 electron. It's called bond pair. It is also bond pair. You can write it is also be only bond pair. Remaining electron is called a lone pair electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 electron is a present. 3 pair. It is one pair. Another pair is called LP1, LP2. So LP3 is a short form. So first we find out central metal atom take valence electron, bonded atom take valency. That's all. Very simple. All type. Central metal atom take valence electron, bonded atom take valency. So central metal atom act as iodine. Iodine valence electron 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here bonded atom chlorine. So valency Cl1. So one chlorine is present, one electron. To form the bond formation is a bond pair. So bond pair equal to 1, lone pair equal to 3. That is called bond pair 1, lone pair 3. So it is a linear structure. So the structure is ICl. It is a linear. That's all. It is a AH type. Okay. So next AX3 type. Example ClF3. Here chlorine and fluorine. Chlorine it is a low electronegativity atom or bigger size. So bigger size act as a central atom. So Cl. So central atom. Central metal atom equal to chlorine. So valence electron. Valence electron for chlorine equal to 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here bonded atom. Bonded atom. Fluorine. Okay. Upon 3 fluorine. Fluorine act as a valency 1. Valency 1. So how many fluorines are 3 fluorines are present? Upon 1, 2, 3. So these are the bond. Take this called a bond pair. Upon BP bond pair. Bond pair. This is a bond pair. So 3 bond pair. This is a lone pair. This is also lone pair. So bond pair 3, lone pair equal to 2. So bond pair 3, lone pair 2 is called T shape. It is also T shape. The hybridization also sp3. sp3 hybridization means the trigonal bipyramid, but the 2 lone pair is a repulsion. Leave it to form T shape. So central atom here act as a chlorine Cl, or I can write Cl. It is also C here 1F hydrogen, here 1F fluorine, 3 fluorine, here 3 bond pair, 2 lone pair. It is also lone pair. It is also lone pair. So this lone pair limit we get for the T-shaped structures. So T shape like that. T shape. This is a T shape structures. So this is another you find it for the hybridization also sp3d3. Similar square pyramidal. AX right. Example IF5. Iodine act as a central metal atom. Iodine central metal atom. So valence electron 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Fluorine act as a valency. You know fluorine 5 fluorine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fluorine. Each and every one fluorine can donate the electrons. can donate the electrons, fluorine, F minus, or everything is a F minus. So it is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 remaining lone pair. Up bond pair 5, lone pair 1, totally 6. So it is a square pyramidal structures. How to draw the square pyramidal structures? Square pyramidal, and that is also sp3d2, it is octahedral, it is I 1. One fluorine, another fluorine, another fluorine, another fluorine. It is also fluorine. Here the lone pair is occupied. Okay, the without lone pair of electron, it is a square pyramidal structures. It is a square without lone pair of electrons. Leave it the lone pair, okay? So it is a square pyramidal structures. It is a IF7. Similar, you find out for the pentagonal bipyramidal, 7 bond pair and then 0 lone pair. You find out the structure is perfect. Okay. So these are the preparation types and the structure of the interhalogen compounds. Thank you, student.